Here's a comparison of the stock bulb versus the LED one. Okay, I got the right side replaced. As you can see, much brighter than the yellow on the left. And man, that was a lot harder than I thought without removing the bumper. Had to really squeeze in there with the wheel turned all the way to the left. Look at my arm. Not easy. So to change the fogs without removing the bumper, you gotta take out 3 screws from the side. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, just with a screwdriver. Once you have your wheel turned to the left, or to the right actually, you gotta take out 1 more screw down there. It's kinda hard to see. It's this one, just right where my index finger is at. There's a screw right there. And that'll give you enough clearance to stick your hand in to pull out the fog light. Alright, I got the other side done. But I have to admit that I had to take off the bumper, at least the left side, because I just, for the life of me, could not get that left bulb in. Either it was a different positioning or the left side's a little bit different. I'm not sure why, but I had to first take off this bolt right here. After I took this off right here, using this, then I was able to pull this out slowly. These 3 right here. Be very careful, you don't want to break these. After you pull these 3 out, all you have to do is unscrew either unscrew 1 and 2. These are optional, but I unscrewed these anyway. So that way I was able to pull the bumper out and get to that fog right there. I'm gonna point to it. Right. Okay. Right in there, yeah. Just behind that horn. See that silver right there? That's what I had to get to. And I couldn't do it on this side without taking off the bumper. Partially, at least. Well, now both fogs are in. And they're nice and bright and white. Matching my daytime running lights, which are also LEDs. And my headlights, which are LEDs. But this took me almost 2 hours. So I hope these suckers don't burn out. Otherwise, it's gonna be a bitch to replace. Thanks for watching.